three different kinds of swivel tilting mount head. I will split my video into three different parts. First part, what is the same function of them? The second part, what is the difference? The third part, why we should choose them. Same function. They all have the 1/4 screw. They all have the retractable locating pin. They all have one latch for add or lose the damper of the head. The material, all of them, is aluminum with the stainless steel. That's it. So the difference. This is the STM CS. CS for coat shoe mount. So we got the bottom with one coat shoe. You can insert on the camera or on your rig coat shoe mount and tighten it with the screw easily. So I will show you. You mount this STM CS, the coat shoe mount version, to the wireless transmitter. Done fast. Now we instead mount this on the camera. Done. Tighten it. Done. Perfect. Now adjust the damper latch, and we can adjust the angle of this wireless transmitter. Perfect. Use the screw, take out the set, and we insert this on the coat shoe mount of the rig. Tighten it. Done. Perfect. Except the coat shoe mount version, we also have the ARRI locating pin version. The locating pin is also retractable on the bottom of this head. And the screw right now is 1/4 screw, and we also have one adapter to the 3/8. So you can mount on the camera rig not only with the 1/4 screw holder, but also on the 3/8 screw holder. So that's the version of the STM AR. And another one, it's the lat clamp version. The model is STM NC. So it's easy to understand that it's achieve that clamp on your rig with the lateral rail. That's it. So I think we again have one question: why we should choose the three of them? First, the reason, we have the anti-twist retractable pin. You can see more clear, okay? Your camera, your rig, your monitor, your transmitter will not be twisting. The second reason, we have one latch to tighten or loose the tension of the damper. So less Allen key will be needed. The third reason, the material is the aluminum and stainless steel, high quality, durable. The last reason, but not the least, is the price affordable. That's it.